most dragging in the internet, Basi. Yes, most dragging you see on the internet, they are all false. Why? Most of them put it on there for them to be more relevant and popular. Maybe that person is always an animal care, that person is a content creator, that person is a blogger, that person is a musician, that person is a journalist. I don't know Zomakia. They will plan and put up a story on the internet, and people will start dragging. They will start dragging. So the more you drag it, they're getting popular. They're getting more popular. They're getting more engagement. They will use you to shine. Yes. So most things you see on the internet, don't put your mouth there. Don't just jump and pass. But unless you want to entertain yourself with that, you can do that. But believing those things, you're on your own. Yes. Most of the news are fake. Most of the things you hear about people are fake. But they know that it's fake. They put it up. They put it there for people to drag on it. Because the more you drag, the more the engagement they have. Remember when Peace don't put up Peace and Seun was dragging themselves. Today they are friends. So that is how it is. They must come there to put out the story that will make you to start dragging. And on the process, you become enemy with your co-fans. That's just it. So believing everything you see on the internet, you're on your own. Everything on the internet are not true. At least 5 or 10% may be true, but 90% are fake. I'm telling you the reality. You can look at the one of B-Lord and VDM. Without internet, nobody knows B-Lord. Without internet, nobody knows VDM. So they will come out there to drag. The more they drag, the more influence they become. The more they drag, the more influence they become. The more they drag, the more influence they become. The more they drag, the more popular they become. And that is life. And that is how they make their money. Most of them make their money through that dragging. Most of them make their money through that false stories they put on there. You see Very Dark Man criticizing B-Lord criticizing Very Dark Man. Today they say that B-Lord have registered the Very Dark Man Ratel as his trademark by opening an app bearing that Ratel as a name. What do you have to say? Nothing. So, but what I want you to believe, to know, that believing everything you see on the internet, you will die one day. And passing the information you see on the internet on to people around you. So don't do that. Because most of the stories are fake. Then they are not fake, one name. They're all fake. People put it on there. They will come and they put on a story. Some people pay them to put up that story. People pay them to put up that story. And that drag it. You see that this person page from 500K to 800K, from 800K to 1 million. That dragging alone bring those people to him. So they know what they're doing. But all go behind them because they use you to shine. They use you to excel. They use you to become more influence. By passing the information around, telling people, look at what this person did, look at what this person did. Look at Ian, look at Ian, whole celebrity did that. The person made that thing, but because they want to be more popular, they allow the story to fly. Yes. So be careful. Careful of internet, or else the internet will destroy you. Bye.